Okay, so the last video cut off, but if you watched that video, then you would have seen we were right here. We were finding the limit. Oh, but I lost my dotted line here, so here is my dotted line where x equals 3. Okay, so again, we were finding the limit from the left. So think about where the left side of the dotted line is, and you were coming in from the left, but my y value also looks like it's going to be 7. And those limits from the left and the right match, so my overall limit is also 7. But this one's not going to be continuous, it's actually going to be a point discontinuity because it's discontinuous just at that point. If I were to draw this, I would have to pick my pencil up at that point. Okay? And our last one here. Now again, if you want to pause this video and try this on your own, you are certainly more than welcome, and then start the video again to see if you did it right. But for this one, so my x value is -4. So here is where x is -4. There's my dotted line. So my value there is going to be 8, my function value. The limit from the right is 8, from the left is 8, and overall is 8. It's all 8s because it's continuous. I could draw right through that value without lifting my pencil, so it is going to be continuous. Now for the other one, where x is 4, that's going to be here. And so now my value is supposed to be where the closed dot is. Well, there is no closed dot. There's no space at all on this graph that crosses that dotted line. So this is actually undefined. And remember, this is not DNE. DNE is for limits only. So this value is undefined. There's no value there. So from the right, my y value looks like it's going to be 0. From the left, same thing. And since those two match, that's my overall limit. Now this one's not continuous because my function value is different. This one's actually a point discontinuity. Okay? Just remember that this overall limit, the one down here, if there's no direction, so if it doesn't tell you from the right or from the left, it's asking, does the right and the left match? If they do match, that's your limit value. If they don't match, it's DNE. Okay? So now, if we were in class, I would have given you a worksheet, and that's your homework. So instead, I posted the worksheet to Google Classroom. I didn't put the answers to that worksheet yet. I want you to give it a try on your own. So go ahead and try it on your own, and then I'll post the solutions in a few days. These notes, if we would have been in school, would have taken a whole period. That's why it took me a few videos to get through them all. So if you have any questions about the videos, you want to come to office hours, or if you just want to rewatch it again, or you can email me your questions or post your questions on the classroom, however you want to get a hold of me. I'm on my laptop most all day, so you should be able to get a hold of me. So try your best with these, see how you do. If you need me for anything, please don't hesitate to reach out.